Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a restricted account. On Pinterest app you will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above you will search about the application of Pinterest and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your